Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to clean up Gmail inbox. So the first step is to go to Gmail, and as you can see I have a lot of emails. So if I want to get rid of all of them, what I have to do is simply check this box here, and as you can see all of them will be selected, and then simply click on delete, and then I will get rid of all of them at once. Now if I click on this arrow here, I can select if I want to select only the emails already read, unread, and started email, unstart emails. So you can easily choose the ones that you want to get rid of, and then simply click on delete, and as you can see they'll get moved to trash. Now another thing that I recommend you to do is to go to your settings, and then here where it says density, make sure to select comfortable, and basically that's all. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.